Why is my car's windshield fogging up? And how can I prevent it? A foggy windshield can be frustrating and dangerous, as it impairs visibility while driving. Understanding why your car's windshield fogs up and how to prevent it is crucial for safe and comfortable driving in various weather conditions. In this video, we'll explain the common causes of windshield fogging and provide tips on how to prevent it. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Causes of windshield fogging. Interior moisture. One of the most common reasons for windshield fogging is excess moisture inside the car. This moisture can come from various sources, such as wet clothing, shoes, or passenger's breath. Temperature difference. When the temperature inside the car is significantly different from the temperature outside, it can lead to condensation on the windshield. This occurs when warm, moist air inside the car comes into contact with the cold windshield surface. Humidity. High humidity levels both inside and outside the car can contribute to windshield fogging. The moisture in the air can condense on the cooler windshield surface, creating fog. Faulty HVAC system. A malfunctioning heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) system can result in inadequate temperature control and ventilation. This can lead to moisture buildup and fogging on the windshield. Dirty windshield. A dirty or oily windshield surface can be more prone to fogging. Dirt and oils on the glass can provide a surface for condensation to adhere to, creating fog. Preventing windshield fogging. Adjust the temperature. Balancing the temperature inside the car with the outside temperature can help prevent condensation. If it's cold outside, use the heater to warm the interior gradually. Avoid turning the temperature too high, as it can lead to excess moisture. Turn on the AC. Running the air conditioning, even in cooler weather, can help dehumidify the air inside the car. This process removes excess moisture and prevents fogging. Crack a window. Slightly opening one or more windows allows moist air to escape and helps maintain a balanced humidity level inside the car. However, be cautious when doing this in extreme weather conditions. Ventilation system maintenance. Regularly maintain your car's ventilation system, including cleaning or replacing cabin air filters and checking for any blockages in the vents. Clean the windshield. Keep your windshield clean both inside and outside. Use a glass cleaner to remove any dirt, smudges, or oily residues. A clean windshield is less likely to attract condensation. Defog the exterior. Sometimes, fogging can occur on the outside of the windshield, particularly in humid or rainy conditions. Use your windshield wipers and defrost setting to clear external condensation. Use side mirrors. If you notice fogging on the side windows or rear windshield, consider using your side mirrors for visibility until the condensation clears. Check for leaks. Inspect your car for any water leaks, such as from a damaged weather seal or sunroof drainage system. Leaks can introduce excess moisture into the interior, contributing to fogging. Dealing with persistent fogging. If you continue to experience persistent windshield fogging despite following preventive measures, consider the following. Check for leaks. As mentioned earlier, inspect your car for water leaks, especially in the trunk, floorboards, and around windows and doors. Address any leaks promptly. Consult a mechanic. If you've tried all the above steps and the issue persists, consult a qualified mechanic or automotive technician. There may be underlying problems with your car's HVAC system, insulation, or ventilation that require professional diagnosis and repair. In conclusion, a foggy windshield can be caused by excess moisture, temperature differences, humidity, or issues with your car's ventilation and HVAC system. Preventing windshield fogging involves maintaining proper temperature and humidity levels inside the car, using defrost and ventilation settings, and keeping the windshield clean. If fogging issues persist, consider professional inspection and potential repairs to ensure safe and clear visibility while driving. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.